Hello and welcome again. Give me a moment, please. बढ़िया ब्रो, कैसा चल रहा है? Okay, finally the chat is active, I think. बहुत गलत किया तुमने, क्या चीज? डीसी में बताऊंगा. Okay. Okay, so my plan is, okay, let's start with the beginning, I guess. Hello and welcome again. If you're on YouTube, make sure to subscribe. If you're on Twitch, make sure to follow. This is day 93 of my 365 days challenge of streaming, basically, where I'm trying to stream for at least 365 days without giving up. And I'm also trying to hit daily stream streak, and earlier the plan was to like hit the 365 days streak, which was obviously a very big challenge, and I was almost ready to do it, but I had some health issues on day 50th and I had to like give up a little bit for a week or something like that, and then I have resumed it again, and now my next target is like 60 days of daily stream streak, and this is day 93 in total, and the 60 days streak will be I will be able to achieve that 60 days streak if I like stream until New Year. So yeah, it's going great, to be honest, and not so many days left right now, and I think I will be able to achieve it. So if you want to become part of that journey, make sure to follow, make sure to subscribe, and if you want to like challenge yourself as well, make sure to do so, and we will be pushing each other to like hit the goal or at least become better at it, whatever we are doing, basically. Yeah, this is it, this is me, and right now this stream is all about a little bit of productive work, basically, and then after this one we will be going on the gaming channel, and on, if you're watching on Twitch, it's the same account for both stuff, basically. So we will be doing some sort of fun stuff afterwards. So first of all, this is mostly related to work, mostly productive stuff right now, and this will go like about an hour, and then we will move on towards fun stuff, basically. So yesterday I stopped the streaming while making some stream elements, basically, and I think I will continue with that, and I will make some custom alerts and stuff. So yeah, I will work on that, basically, if you are wondering what I'll be doing right now. So yeah, that's the plan. And I was also editing video in the morning today, so the video is also unfinished. I have already made some cuts only, but I think that will take a lot of time, so improving the stream would be a little bit better situation right now, and that's why I'm going with this one. Okay, I think that's good enough introduction. Make sure to follow, by the way, and thank you so much for following. I reached 12 followers already, and I only need like about 42 more, so make sure to follow. It would be amazing, and I'll be forever grateful to you guys. Let's look at labels, if I can find stream labels or something for free. and I need GIFs or PNGs. I don't want like Streamlabs or Stream Elements stuff. Streamingfreeways.com. I have no idea what these websites are, but they might have something that I need. Or we can directly create on video editor basically. I would have done it in Canva, but my subscription has expired and I want to like push myself to like start from scratch to like do things without the help of Canva. I'm very spoiled with Canva basically, because they provide like almost all sort of items, icons, PNGs and everything, basically almost all the things that you would look for going in the internet and stuff. They provide it like in one dashboard, which is too much convenient, to be honest. And it's a good thing obviously, but I'm too spoiled with it, and like I have like given up on doing searches, finding stuff from the internet and stuff. So like I'm forcing myself to not use Canva as much as I can, so that I can also learn like premium software. I have Affinity Photo, I paid for it, I've downloaded it, and I want to learn the software. If I'll keep using Canva, then I don't think I will ever learn Affinity Photo. So that's also one of the reasons why I'm pushing to not use Canva basically. And that's why I've cancelled my subscription for Canva, and then I'm trying to use like free options available on the internet. And this will also force me to like use Affinity Photo basically for thumbnails and stuff. So that's my plan. That's why I'm not using Canva. Otherwise you have seen me like using it almost all the time. So if you're wondering why I'm not using Canva anymore, that's why. I'm forcing myself to not use it. I'm taking a little bit of difficult path to make myself like better, to be honest. A little bit better. Okay, so I have opened my video editor. This time I will be using Filmora because I think it already has those elements that we are looking for. I'm not sure. I will be also looking for it right now. But let's say, for example, I was editing this video this morning. I slept like around 11, I guess, 11 or 12 a.m. So I was editing this. By the way, this is 1 year old video. So I'm clearing up my hard drives and stuff from. I'm kind of express editing everything and then uploading on YouTube so that I can like clear my storage, because I have like 1 terabytes of videos on my hard drive, and those are all videos that I actually recorded to upload but haven't done it. So yeah, this is also one of the video that I was editing in the morning. So I have a lot of videos that I need to work on. Since we are making stream elements, I guess we can, okay, let's go with 16:9, but we will keep that in mind basically, that we are creating stream elements, not actual video. More purchase. Yes, it is a subscription right now. It is also a subscription, by the way. You can also like have perpetual license if you want to, like, but in my case it is a subscription, yearly subscription, and that's why I pay a lot of bills in November, and that's why I'm broke right now almost, because most of my things like expire on November and then I have to pay everything, including hosting, domain and everything, and I like become broke in November, December almost. So what we are looking for is like label, sticker or something, something like this. I don't know what this is, but something like this. We also have these, but these are already filled with text. We need blank. This looks fine. Let's check it out. Okay, actually this would be like lovely, I think, because no one has used something like this. I can like use this paper thing. I can use the name over here, and I can like use pencil type of sound or pencil type of font, and then also paper sound. I think this would be like amazing. But let's look at other options as well. I don't know what these are called. I mean, they haven't labeled everything like perfectly, so it's difficult to find them. Like for example, label is a good term to use to find them, but as you saw, like did not get any result with that. We don't need arrow, but this is like categorized, then why not labels? We also have AI option to use. By the way, I have unlimited AI at the moment, as you can see. AI credits. That was like their old plan. They no longer offer this plan, I think. This is also a good one. I think I like the paper one the most, to be honest, for now. This is also good. By the way, it's not a video editing thing. I'm just like, I will like just use this file to export the sticker file, and then we will use it on the OBS to display the alert properly with animation basically. And I will already animate it over here. And then we might like also animate it a little bit on OBS as well. This is also good. I like the paper design for some reason. This one. Let's quickly look through other options, and then I think I'll finalize that one for now at least. Background, let's say. Nope. Box. Okay, boxes are available as well if needed. Let's try one more time. label. Not enough. Did we try background? This is actual background. But they can be also useful if you want to like use them for something. What else can we call it? Sticker. It is in a sticker category, so not really, but okay, I don't have any interesting options over here, but if I can like go and look through internet, we can find a lot of stuff which will be interesting enough to like use them. But in this case, we'll go with the paper thing. I liked it, to be honest. I like this. So our label thing will be here. The text that we will be creating will be displayed here, and this will be the animation that we will use. And I'm thinking whether to like use the sound effects directly over here, or if we would play the sound on OBS, because I don't like to edit sound effects directly on Filmora. It's like not good for it. I like editing sound effects on DaVinci Resolve. Let's see. We will add a swoosh sound, 2 more maybe, or tape sound. Then we will have a text writing sound. I think that would be better to use through OBS, and it will fade away basically. And I think fading would be better, or just to hide it, I'm not sure. Okay, you guys are not seeing the page. I just realized I need to share a screen completely to show you guys this thing basically. I'm talking about this. For some reason, window capture does not show the preview. Let's go to audio, and I have like imported most of the sound effects that I have. Let's go to my music. I have better ones. Filmora 14, I think. The latest one basically. Nope. Is that word sound? I have a lot of sound effects on my computer. I can use one of them. Because I am not liking this. This one is a good one, and I know that it's mine. This could be used. I have this one. For some reason this one did not play. Okay. Let's start with this one. I think I will put it for the sticker. Let's see. Sorry. There's an ant on my keyboard. So for the stickers, or we can use like tearing sound for this. But let's test. I mean, if it fits, then it fits. I think it fits. Why do I click Ctrl S? It's a habit. It fits, but do I need 2 of them? Not sure. And let's experiment with it. It's overkill, and we are just streaming, so I think 1 is fine. Again, I have like habit of clicking. Sorry about that. Let's make it a thing, I guess. I already have stream layers. Stream labels. Okay. I think this is fine. We need a thumping kind of sound, a little bit harsher push sound basically. Not too loud because it will be like in between our talking, so it should be like gentle. Let's test with this. I'm not sure if it will be like good, but we are testing right now. Okay, I think it's good. And I'm not sure if I want to like fade it over here or in the video, I mean OBS itself, or do we like animate it and move it like away. I have an idea. I don't know if it will work, but let's see. How long is this? About 5 seconds, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I think 5 seconds are enough. Let me just cut a part of it. Let's say over here. Like about... Okay, let's start. I just need this animation part. Okay, like let's cut it here. Copy this. Paste it over here. And let's reverse it. This might like become a animation, complete animation. Yep, it did. Also, we need this sound effect. Of course, we can customize it later if needed, but for now, I think it's fine. I think this should be fine. And we need to reverse this as well, I think. Let's test. Yep, just a little bit forward, but yes, reverse is working. Maybe like here. Let's reverse this as well, and also okay, I think it's fine. Let's look at the preview. Starting is absolutely perfect. And is a little bit and could be a little bit better. I need this to be a little bit faster. Let's go with 1.25x speed. Okay, 1.25 got a little bit too fast. 1.15, let's say. For some reason, the sound effect is like not working perfectly. Let's disable maintain pitch. I think it's good enough. Hello Devok4, thank you for watching. And did you like just follow? Thanks for the follow. We are like making stream labels right now, and yeah, you just followed. Thank you for the follow. I haven't added like stream alerts and stuff at the moment because I'm creating my own basically, and right now we are working on that thing only. And yeah, thank you so much for the follow. Right now I'm creating a label where I'll be like showing the follow and stuff. So this is that thing basically. So okay, I think I'll be using this for the stream labels, stream alert basically. So I will now export it. WebM export alpha channel. Okay. The OBS assets. I'm just choosing folders. Nothing exciting over here. That's why I switched the scene. Placeholders, I think. No, let's create a new folder for labels. Okay. Labels, export, main alert, paper. Okay, export. It's exporting right now. Done. Okay, now finally the time to use OBS. So for you guys, I think I will share this screen over here. If I'll be able to like show something, then I will show you guys. But right now I'll be working on the OBS main alert thing that I have. And not everything can be like shared for some reason. Alert sound, main alert. Okay. So right now it's just text, and I have added a gradient background, but this time we will be using a media source. So basically I think like there is like pop-up windows can be shown, so I'm showing pop-up windows. I use like alphabets to easily find them basically and order them. So M is for media basically, and then I'll go with main alert paper, which is the name I've chosen for the file name as well. So I think it would be appropriate to use. So I just used that. Let me choose that file first, and then I'll show you guys again what I'm doing. OBS assets, labels, main alert webcam. Okay. So this is what I need. Restart playback when source becomes playback. Yeah, that is what I need. And to be honest, I need it to stop. So nothing when playback ends. Yes, please. But this also like this might also introduce a lag a little bit whenever it will be turned on or something. So I'm not sure if I'll be using that. Maybe we'll need to like keep it enabled all the time. I'm not too sure about it. But for now, let's go with this setting. There's nothing else to do. Okay. Why is it not visible at all? because it's in a scene, you idiot. Okay, it is available right now, but you guys are not seeing it. Let me show you, I guess. So if I do this, as you can see, श्रेयन भाई, अगर आप वहीं पे हो तो क्या साउंड इफेक्ट भी सुनाई दे रही है? कंफर्म कर सकते हो? और अगर बहुत लाउड है तो बता दो मुझे बस. If anyone's watching, help me with it. Like, was that sound a lot louder than it should be? The sound effect? Please let me know. I'm talking about this sound effect that played right now. I guess no one's watching right now, so let's continue with it, I guess. So what next? So this would be the background, obviously. हाय, मैं पूछ रहा था कि साउंड इफेक्ट ज़्यादा है क्या? बता सकते हो? देखना. हाँ ठीक है, प्ले कर रहा हूँ अभी. अलर्ट. अगर बहुत हाई है तो बताना बस. और सुनाई तो दे रहा होगा आई थिंक, क्योंकि मुझे ग्राफ में दिखती है. ओके, प्ले कर दी मैंने. बताना साउंड इफेक्ट बहुत हाई है क्या या फिर ठीक ठाक है. और अभी एक और टेस्ट करूँगा, बात करते वक्त इनेबल करूँगा और देखते हैं कि तब भी वैसा लगता है कि नहीं. बहुत सही है. ओके, तो अभी मैं बात करते वक्त इनेबल कर रहा हूँ और देखो क्या होता है. अभी जैसे मैं रैंडमली कुछ बोल रहा हूँ और नॉर्मली हम ऐसे बात कर रहे होंगे और तब इस तरह का अलर्ट आएगा, तो क्या तब भी साउंड नॉर्मली साउंड कर रहा है? अभी जैसे ये ख़त्म हुई, लेट मी नो. थोड़ा कमाओ. ओके, थैंक यू. वैसे हम कंप्रेसर भी इनेबल कर सकते हैं. अगर बात करते वक्त सिर्फ कम हो रही है तो हम सिर्फ कंप्रेसर इनेबल करेंगे. मतलब बात करते वक्त डिस्टर्ब कर रही है सिर्फ. आई गेस मैं उसी से स्टार्ट करता हूँ. तो अभी सिर्फ कंप्रेसर लगी हुई है. तो अभी अगर मैं बात करते वक्त इनेबल करूँ तो साउंड सुनाई भी नहीं देगी ऑलमोस्ट, बट देखते हैं. तो ये रहा, मैं कुछ रैंडमली चीज़ें बता रहा हूँ और आई थिंक अभी ये बहुत साउंड लगभग सुनाई ही नहीं देगी, जो कि आई गेस चलेगा कम के. अभी पता नहीं, देखते हैं. हाँ, वो द वॉक 4 ने फॉलो किया अभी थोड़ी देर पहले. नहीं, अभी स्लो नहीं हुआ. अभी मैं जब बात करता हूँ तो कोई भी बैकग्राउंड साउंड बेसिकली बंद हो जाती है ऑलमोस्ट, बहुत कम बचती है. तो वो इनेबल करिए. तो बात करते हुए डिस्टर्ब नहीं होनी चाहिए. बेसिकली जो बोल रहा हूँ वो साफ साफ सुनाई देनी चाहिए, इसलिए. तो अभी अगर आपको नहीं सुनाई दी तो अच्छी बात है. Okay, let's work on it. Right now the alert. ये म्यूजिक के नाम पे क्या है? मुझे तो सुनाई भी नहीं दे रहा है. म्यूजिक है. मैं वो क्रिएट करूँ क्या? रुको, इसके बात करते हैं. जैसे कि खुद ही नेक्स्ट 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 कर पाओ, ऐसा कुछ करते हैं. ठीक है, इसके बाद बनाते हैं नेक्स्ट बीजीएम बनाते हैं. तो नेक्स्ट बीजीएम कमांड से नेक्स्ट हो जाएगी, ऐसा कुछ. फिलहाल मैं इसको थोड़ा कर लूँ परफेक्ट अपना. अभी ये बहुत बेसिक है, हम जिसको इम्प्रूव करेंगे ये पेपर बैकग्राउंड। अभी यहाँ पे तो ठीक है, बट मुझे लगता है ये आप लोगों को चैट विंडो में दिख रही है, मुझे ऐसा कुछ नहीं दिख रहा है बेसिकली। अभी मैं चैट सिन को ओवरले बना कर रखा हूँ, तो आप लोगों को एक तरह से लूप दिख रहा है, मैं ब्लैंक स्क्रीन देख रहा हूँ। ये हमारा पेपर बैकग्राउंड, एक मिनट इसको पॉज करता हूँ यहाँ पे। ओके नहीं, वो लगा हुआ नहीं है, वो एक्चुअली मैं कुछ तो आए तुम लोगों को इसलिए वहाँ पे इनेबल कर रखा हूँ। एक्चुअली मैं इस सीन पे हूँ ही नहीं, दिखाता हूँ। अभी मैंने जो दिखाया था ना थोड़ी देर के लिए, सिर्फ पेपर दिख रही थी, तो वो देख रहा हूँ एक्चुअली मैं अभी, और वहाँ पे काम कर रहा हूँ। ये जो ऊपर देख रहे हो वो अलग लेयर है। तो अभी मैं पहले वहाँ पे इसको बना लूँगा, उसके बाद यहाँ पे एडजस्ट करूँगा चैट सीन पे। यहाँ पे लगी हुई है चैट सीन पे, इसलिए वैसा दिख रहा है। ठीक है, मैं बनाने तक हटा देता हूँ, यहाँ पे डिसेबल कर देता हूँ। तो यहाँ पे डिसेबल्ड है, बट मैं अभी उसी में काम कर रहा हूँ। बहुत घटिया डिज़ाइन है, मेरे को पसंद आया पर्सनली, तो मैं यूज़ करने वाला हूँ उसका मेरे अलर्ट के लिए। और वहाँ पे पेंसिल टाइप की टेक्स्ट आएगी। क्रिएटिव है, इसमें क्या होगा, क्रिएटिव है, क्रिएटिव डिज़ाइन है, दूसरों से हट के है। Up and then replay, pause, okay। इसके ऊपर टेक्स्ट रहेगा यहाँ पे, और ये लिखने वाला साउंड इफेक्ट आना चाहिए, प्लस लिखने वाला फ़ॉन्ट ढूंढना है अब मेरे को। हैंड राइटिंग वाला फ़ॉन्ट यूज़ करूँगा ताकि पेंसिल, और मे बी फ्यूचर में पेंसिल वाला एनिमेशन भी डाल दूंगा, जिससे लगेगा कि पेंसिल से ही कोई लिख रहा है। आई डोंट नो, मज़ा आएगा। ओके तो मुझे ऐसा कुछ फ़ॉन्ट डाउनलोड करना पड़ेगा। अभी मेरे पास ऐसा कोई फ़ॉन्ट है नहीं जो मतलब मेरा हैंड राइटिंग को इमिटेट करे, या फिर मैं खुद ही का हैंड राइटिंग को एक फ़ॉन्ट बना दूंगा और फिर उसको इस्तेमाल करूँगा, तो एक हैंड रिटन नोट जैसा हो जाएगा। थैंक यू, मेरा ही स्टाइल पे मैं जैसे लिखता हूँ अपने रियल लाइफ में, सेम फ़ॉन्ट यूज़ होगी। इंटरेस्टिंग। और ऑब्वियसली सबके लिए ऐसा ही क्रिएट करूँगा। तो लेट्स से फॉर एग्जांपल कोई अगर बहुत बड़ा स्ट्रीमर है जो पॉपुलर है, तो अगर वो अपनी खुद के स्ट्रीम अपने खुद के हैंड राइटिंग से लिखा हुआ चीज़ डिस्प्ले करना चाहता है, आई कैन सेल दिस आइडिया। ये भी मुझे पता है कि मतलब हैंड राइटिंग को कैसे फ़ॉन्ट में कन्वर्ट करना है, तो मैं अपना फ़ॉन्ट बनाऊंगा। अभी तो मेरे पास नहीं है, बनाना पड़ेगा मेरे हैंड राइटिंग वाला फ़ॉन्ट। देखते हैं बन जाएगा पर। हाँ विद पेंसिल ठीक है, पता नहीं पर वो करूँगा या नहीं, देखते हैं। बहुत टफ हो गए थे। कि ठीक है, तो इसको अभी कंप्लीट नहीं कर पाऊँगा इसकी वजह से, क्योंकि मेरे पास सब चीज़ नहीं है। एक तो फ़ॉन्ट कन्वर्ट करके मुझे अपना हैंड राइटिंग फ़ॉन्ट बनाना पड़ेगा, प्लस मेरे पास पेपर पे राइटिंग साउंड अभी नहीं है, और डाउनलोड करनी पड़ेगी। ठीक है, तो अभी के लिए आई थिंक छोड़ देते हैं इसको। एंड मैं क्रिएट करता हूँ, विंडो शेयर पे जाते हैं, स्ट्रीमर बोर्ड पे जाते हैं, चैट कमांड्स पे नेक्स्ट बीजीएम करना पॉसिबल है या नहीं देखते हैं। नेक्स्ट बीजीएम ट्रिगर बाद में ऐड करते हैं, पहले एक्शन। हमें चाहिए OBS sources, set for visibility, set media state, media source file, scenes, replay. Okay, so maybe not directly, but I can create some system or something, trigger it anyway. Okay, so we don't have anything directly, but I think I can create something indirectly. Maybe I need to like write a little bit of code, but it can be done, I think. But I don't want to do it like with codes and stuff. I want to do it with ease. Basically, my plan is to sell whatever I create. So for that, it needs to be simpler. Obviously, I am creating a lot of complicated stuff, but they should be like relatively simple. Set media source for set media state. I think this will only allow us to pause and play, maybe. Let's try what options we have. So, by the way, these are the scenes that I have right now. Too many, to be honest. Let's go with the audio scene, BGM. Okay, play, pause, next. Okay, yes, available. So we will do next. It's possible. Now let's add trigger 5 views. The trigger would be the command. Okay, core commands, command triggered, next BGM. Okay, तो ठीक है, नेक्स्ट BGM भी ऐड कर दिया हमने। एंड जब भी कोई BGM होगी जो पसंद नहीं आ रहा होगा, जस्ट कमांड नेक्स्ट BGM और नेक्स्ट BGM प्ले हो जाएगी। अभी अलर्ट पे क्या दिख रही है? हालांकि डिसेबल्ड है, आई थिंक कुछ नहीं दिखेगी। इनेबल करता हूँ 1 मिनट के लिए। पुराना वाला ये इनेबल्ड है। ओके, by the way, I also have plans to like use the official alerts from Twitch, and we can do that as well. So I have a very complex plan. This was like simple thing that I was trying, the thing that with the paper image. But I have a very complex idea, to be honest, because I genuinely like the Twitch alerts provided by Twitch officially on their website. They were like cool looking, so I was thinking whether if I should like create completely new things or just use them. I don't know. So my plan is to like use half of the thing that I can use from Twitch, maybe all of the thing from the Twitch for Twitch, but for YouTube I think I can create my own stuff basically. So in that case, what I'll do is like I will keep everything on the same profile page, I mean same scenes and sources basically, but with the if else logic that we were using earlier. If you are following my all of my streams, then you will be able to understand what I'm trying to say over here. So we will use if else logic basically over here, as I have used it already, but then I will only enable the sources that corresponds to the platform basically. So if it's from Twitch, then it will trigger the Twitch alerts, but if it's from YouTube, then it will trigger the alerts that I have personally created using the editing softwares or OBS and stuff. I think that would be fine. That would be awesome, I think. So yeah, that would be amazing, I think. I'm not sure if I like have it already. Like for example, I'm right now using Twitch Goal over here. So this is officially provided by Twitch, and I think it looks good, even better than like Streamlabs and stuff. So they have like good stuff, to be honest. I'm personally a fan of it. I'm 25% there in my goal. Thank you so much for the follow. 13 followers now. Yeah, this is amazing. Keep going, make it 50. I love it. Let's go to Twitch alerts and let's start adding, I guess. So you guys are still on the I don't know if it's already enabled or not. Let me check. I think it's enabled already. Let me test it. I just haven't added it, I think. Stream with a Twitch follow. Okay. So what I can do is like I can create a dedicated scene for Twitch alert. Let me do it. Why talk about it? Let's do it. So I'm creating a Twitch alert scene separately, and this will be a nested scene basically, and then we can add all the browser sources over here. So like I will go to Twitch alert, and I have only one alert, to be honest, so I don't really need the scene, I think. But if I like create more in the future, then it will be useful. For now, I don't think I'll need it. Copy browser source. Okay. So I'm adding Twitch alert now. Twitch main alert. Or just Twitch alert. I think it's fine. Twitch alert. Okay. Paste it. You guys won't be able to see it until I enable it. And I'm going with the default size over here. Let's check it out before like deciding on it. So now I have a Twitch alert scene, which I'll add to just chatting scene for testing purposes, where you guys are looking at it, by the way. Twitch alert. Okay. So now it's also available in this scene. And now let's test it. And I'll be modifying it also on the background over here, which you won't see. Okay, I'm ready to test it. Send test alert. So this is the official alert by Twitch, which I can like make a little bit smaller. Let's send something else again. I made it too small. And it's rotated, I think. Let me like reset it. I don't know why it happened, but okay, I think it's fine. So whenever an event occurs on Twitch, we can activate Twitch alert, and we can create separately the custom ones for YouTube. The font color, the purple color, is not visible, the Twitch official color, because of my background. So that's an issue right now, but we can fix it easily, or we can change the color. I think my yellow color would be nice that I use. And I also have it here. I'm not absolutely sure about it, but let's test this. I'm not sure if I like it, but no harm in testing, I guess. The Twitch official color looks great, but also like it's easier for people to know where it's coming from. So that's why I don't want to change the color, Twitch color. Personally, I also like purple. One of my website, Blogger's Help, is themed in purple. So I like purple. So I will keep it. I will just figure something out to like make it stand out. Maybe use this or drop shadow. No choice for color in drop shadow for some reason. I'm also adding text to speech, free one. Maybe let's try this. It's just a taste. I'm not doing anything extraordinary right now. And I don't think it will allow me to like choose custom font that I have on my PC. So if it's available, then we will be able to use that. If not, we cannot. And I don't think it's available. That's a bummer. So I use a custom font for my stream layout, which is not available here. So let's go with the default one, or we will try to like find a font which is slightly similar to what I use basically. I'm saving it, sending test alert. Awkward. I don't know if I should enable the voice thing. I don't like the voice thing, to be honest, because it's not perfect. If it was perfect, then I would have used it. I think let's go without. Okay, I was checking if the fonts are still visible or not. I don't think it is. So maybe I need to switch my mind about the colors. Let's go with the yellow. The font that we already use in the chat, basically. Font color for the name. Okay, I think I don't have any choice at the moment, so let's skip this one. So I also have now a Twitch alert. Which is created separately from what I have created personally. So I think I will disable Twitch option over there in my streamer bot settings. Let me show you that. What I'm talking about. Yep. So right now main alert, which I have created personally, also gets triggered when Twitch follow occurs. So I think I will disable it for now, because we have created separate thing basically. So it will only be for YouTube now, and that would make it like very easy thing to do, easy thing to manage. And if I'm like using separate one for YouTube only, then I can still use it from like Streamlabs or Stream Elements. I don't even have to create my own, to be honest. Well, let's see what happens. I think I will still create the custom one, but maybe I'll only create it to sell to others. Okay, that was it. I need to like create some complex stuff for later on. I like challenges like that, or doing complex stuff. I like it. My 1 hour quota of this stream is completed, so let's stream for a little bit more, I guess. Then I will switch between channels. Thank you so much for the follow, by the way, everyone who followed me, and I'm trying to reach 50 followers by New Year. So if you are watching later on, please make sure to follow, and if you're on YouTube, please make sure to subscribe. I have no goals over there, but it will still be useful and helpful, so yeah, do that. And I think it's time, and then we will go to like our gaming channel on YouTube, and on Twitch it's the same account. I'll just stop and start again this stream, basically the different one, where we'll be having some fun. Most probably Delta Force. I did play Delta Force in the morning as well, so I was working already when the game like got released, so I decided to like try it out, and I did. So yeah, I did play it in the morning. There it is. So if you are on YouTube, make sure to like subscribe on there as well, I guess. So I did play it in the morning as well. Also in the morning it took a lot of time to like set up everything and stuff. So it's not like 2-hour gameplay, and it took a lot of time to like set things up, and it was already downloaded, preloaded. The game was preloaded, but still it took a lot of time to unpack and then install and stuff. So I was waiting, even though I was like very sleepy at the moment. So I think I finally did it like after almost an hour. Some people also joined and subscribed, so yeah, thank you so much. By mistake. Also added the stitch follower thing if I do at the same password. Let's test. Oh, I also added Twitch panels, so if you like follow me now on Twitch, okay, you have a dedicated section where other people can see you and follow you. So you also have one more benefit of following me. Not here, down below. So on here you will be listed as one of the follower, and other people will be able to follow you. So there you go. You also have something for you over here. So make sure to follow and help me reach my 50 Twitch followers goal. And by the way, the game was good. It got a little bit annoying afterwards, but it was good.
Treat. As defenders, you...
After this, I think I'll be streaming this. Okay, a few people are here, but I don't think they'll come to rescue. It was nice. I also need to, I think, choose a different place for the chat over here. I also was managing the face cam on different positions. I'm not sure where to keep them, because like no matter where I put them, like it always blocks something. So yeah, we'll see what we'll be doing with it. I'm not sure at the moment. I wanted to show you guys something. Let me download Delta Force brand assets. I might need to like create thumbnail right now. Trying to find a good image that can be used for the thumbnail. I have the old one. I have used it already. Okay, maybe not waste time right now. Let's not waste time. Let me prepare for the next stream. So I will like use one of my existing and I'm not sure if it will work. Like, I'm testing right now. If possible, I will create a new thumbnail. Okay, I think this will work. I just created a different version of the same thumbnail that I have. This is the one that I created. I think that's good enough to use. I will like, this is the default image that I already had. This part I replaced with AI a little bit. And that's it for now. I think I'll use this one for tonight, and then maybe we can create something later. I can easily also use the hill brush to like remove this part, because now it's public beta, not early access. I created this thumbnail when I was using the early access version of the game basically. So yeah, this is it. I think I'm ready for the next stream, and thank you so much for joining everyone. And before streaming for like other fun stuff and on the gaming channel or reaction channel, I try to like always do at least 1 hour of a stream where I'm doing something productive. Maybe I'm changing my stream elements and teaching about it, streaming setup basically, or maybe I'm doing video editing. I'm not sure what I'll be doing, but usually I do something productive before the next stream. So yeah, if you're interested in those things, feel free to follow me on Twitch, subscribe on YouTube. It's a different channel on YouTube where I post productive stuff, and then afterwards we go into like gaming channel. Yeah, that's it. So yeah, this is it, and thank you so much for joining, I guess, and thanks for the follow. If you are following in the future, I'll see you tomorrow. And if you are on gaming channel, then I will see you in a moment. Okay, for some reason I feel a little bit better now. I don't know. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you. Have a great night. Have a great day. Bye.